Hi, this is Brent Graham. For the first time in over 30 years, I was unable to attend this year's annual meeting of the American Society for Surgery of the Hand. This was due to the ongoing effects of the pandemic and federal regulations regarding international travel in Canada, where I live. I was saddened to be denied the opportunity to meet with many of you as I have in past years, and I look forward to next year's annual meeting when hopefully the pandemic will have resolved and we'll be able to return to a more normal interaction. This month in the Journal of Hand Surgery, the lead article was contributed by Dr. Robert Wouters and his colleagues who are members of the International Consortium on Health Outcomes Measurement, specifically the Hand and Wrist Working Group. This group has conducted an extremely rigorous and scholarly exercise to develop what they consider to be a standard set of outcome measurements for hand surgery. The results of this effort are in substantial contrast to what is currently the standard in North America, and that appears to be the use of briefer outcome measures such as the PROMIS. Whether there are advantages or disadvantages to either of these approaches will remain to be determined, and we did discuss some of that when I interviewed Dr. Wouters for this month's podcast. I hope that you'll take the opportunity to thoughtfully read this article and also to listen to our discussion. In the hand surgery landscape this month, there are two articles. There's an update on the concept of delayed digit replantation, specifically looking at the evidence for that. And part two of our brief series on bringing medical products to market also appears. In current concepts this month, we have an update on Dupuytren's contracture, a very common condition that most of us treat. Please mark your calendars to join us for our Twitter-based journal club, which this month will take place on October 12th at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and on the following day at 8 p.m. at GMT. That is geared for our European colleagues, but I would invite anybody in North America for whom that's a convenient time to join in what has proven to be a pretty spirited discussion with our European colleagues.